This is the Night Ride Trailblazer HDMI Controller. The purpose is to connect the Night Ride Trailblazer USB or SL to a simple display and also have control. You can zoom, you can change the color palette, or take a screenshot and record. To record photos and video, take a USB stick, formatted FAT32, less than 128 gigabytes, and connect it to the front of the unit. Once connected and formatted properly, you'll see a USB storage ready. To take a screenshot, click the screenshot button, and you'll see a flash as it's saving the photo. To take a video, click the record button to start. While recording, you'll see a flashing light. To end the video, click the record button again, and it'll have a fast flashing. After the flashing finishes, the USB stick can be removed. To connect the Night Ride Trailblazer HDMI controller to the Night Ride Trailblazer and to an HDMI display, connect the power to the back of the Night Ride Trailblazer HDMI controller with the 12-volt barrel. Connect the Night Ride Trailblazer USB to either of the two USB ports. Next, connect an HDMI cable from the display to the back of the controller.
To save the photos and videos shot on the Night Ride Trailblazer HDMI controller, take a USB stick and format it with FAT32, as you see here. The USB stick must be 128 gigabytes or smaller. Windows will allow you to format the USB stick as long as the capacity is below 32 gigabytes. If you want to format it above 32 gigabytes, you need a software called Rufus. You download Rufus, in Rufus, you can set the file system to FAT32, non-bootable, MBR, and you can format it to be ready for the Night Ride Trailblazer HDMI controller. To view the photos and videos saved on the USB stick, in snapshots, you'll see the photo saved as JPEGs, and in videos, you'll see the video saved as an MP4.